Chef Dante. Would you describe the technique to prepare properly the chocolate to put in the morning yogurt?
You put it in like a bag. You put it like this. And then you just put it on. So then when you mix it up, it just all gets mixed in there like chocolate chips, you know? Yes, I feel very good, honestly. I got to eat a good amount yesterday. I get to eat a good amount today. My weight's up. I've been gaining weight since yesterday and waking up more than 6 pounds heavier. We didn't even do a water cut, it was just simply just food, so it's crazy. The longer the tournament goes on, the worse it's gonna be for everybody else because they're gonna have to feel my pressure and feel the weight and feel the strength difference that I have against them. So that's gonna be the big difference, the big thing that they're not gonna be able to handle, I think.
Going to the finals!
Champ stuff.
For more rice cakes.
Oh yeah. What else do we need? We got rice cakes, honey.
The Vitargo, the Sea Sports.
Yep.
But especially the fighter spirit.
Oh, what's there?
That's what really matters.
That never leaves, coach. We'll show everybody that strength and athleticism doesn't matter in the sport. Oh, that's so good, bro. Yeah, that's why only strong and athletic people win. People don't want to see milk bags competing against each other. See, every time I win, I'm either just like strong or athletic, what the reason they always say. But if I lose, it's because I'm not technical. It's never like just one in the middle. It's never like I'm technical or I'm actually good at jiu-jitsu. It's big. It's like fat this year.
We're done with this IBJJF World. Dante won. Great gold medal and of course always running. Going to Vegas for another fight week. It's Armand Tsarukyan against Ismagulov or Ismagulov. I'm not very good with Russian pronunciations, but it's great to be back. Last year, around this time, there was Gi World. We won with Mikey Musumeci. Now waiting for the Uber, airport, Vegas. Let's go.
And now doing breakfast from Kappa.
4 days to the fight. How are we feeling?
Everything good, acclimatization good, everything jet lag, you know. Today, in 1 hour, we're gonna go to do some wrestling and grappling with the coach Parumpa.
Arman, fight week!
Oh. So, what we are eating now?
Tonight we're eating squid and the veggies.
I trust you.
How do you feel?
Feel amazing.
So what's the problem here, Elvis?
Doc, do we have balls to take out the chicken from the oven and cut it right now? It's a Thursday, December 15, so we're after hot yoga. And hot yoga class was this time bullshit. It was like stretching, not very active like last time, you know. So we cut like a little bit.
You're gonna go downstairs.
And then you was preparing their chicken. You thinking he gonna be more low, you know. Now nobody have balls to cut that chicken too. So we're gonna cut in the morning. Wake up everybody for Tori to PI and cut all weight, you know.
Doc, can you play this game?
I cannot. What's going on here?
Arman go to sleep. Now we can eat, you know, a little bit. No front of him, of course. Delicious chicken.
Delicious, eh?
We eat dinner. Chicken, potato, orange juice, yeah?
Tomorrow night's gonna be a domination. We're gonna end the year strong with another win, and then we're gonna enjoy the night, and then enjoy Christmas, and then New Year's.
Has Arman been winning or not?
You asking questions you already know the answer to.
I'm the best here.
We gotta go.
Ready to go.
Давай.
Давай, Doc.
Thank you for everything.
Let's go.
Ты все знаешь. Лучше всех. Давайте. Погнали. С Богом, брат.
Let's go. We're live again. So round one, what do they?
Great round, 1-0.
Let's go, baby! 2-0 Armand.
2-0.
That's it, it's a lock. Grab the net! Choke him out!
Woo!